Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Azilah Liana binti Ahmad Zamri. My matric number is 275631 and today I will present about the function and importance of ecologically sustainable development in tourism industry, which is biodiversity and conservation. Biodiversity refers to the diversity of life on Earth at all scales from genes to ecosystem and can include evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that keep life going. It encompasses not only species we consider rare, endangered, or threatened with extinction but also every living thing from humans to organisms. Conservation can be defined as the protection of plants and animals, natural areas, important structures and buildings, especially from the harmful impacts of human activities. Conservation also is the preservation or efficient use of resources and a program to try to preserve wetlands. The main function of biodiversity first is human need and sources. It is the source of food, fiber, shelter, fuel, and medicine for the entire human population. And second is biosphere health. It is dependent on the biosphere, which in turn leads to climate, water, soil, and air stability, as well as the biosphere general health. The main function of conservation first is protection. A protection of something, especially the management of natural resources, is designed to prevent the exploitation, destruction, or neglect of water and wildlife conservation. And second is preservation. It's maintain a healthy and functioning ecosystem for future generations. Next is the importance of biodiversity. It supplies people with raw resources for consumption and manufacturing. Biodiversity also serves recreation and tourism and supports the ecosystem, which provides us with many services. Through the expression of identity, spirituality, and aesthetic appreciation, culture is also important to biodiversity. Other than that, biodiversity also provides ecosystem services, food, medicines, and natural products, economic benefits, and natural beauty. Biodiversity can help us to understand the natural world and its origin with the availability of a wealth of systematic ecological data. The importance of conservation is to conserve wildlife and preserve biodiversity. As a result, we can conserve wildlife and ensure it is preserved for future generations, as well as maintain a healthy and functioning environment. Next is preserving these habitats helps to ensure that the ecosystem as a whole is not harmed. The effort done to conserve wildlife is becoming increasingly important as more species become extinct. Everything from tropical forests to our coastlines contributes to the fight against climate change and protection of our people. As a result, it is critical that we do all possible to protect them. In conclusion, a large number of biodiversity resources are used by humans, so it becomes our necessary responsibility to preserve and protect biodiversity of the earth. In turn, the richness of species, ecosystem, environment, and continued growth of life on Earth are essential for the sustainability of healthier soils by preserving and protecting. Finally, law enforcement also can help save some rare species. This is the sources that I found. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears and time. Stay safe.